Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open the one-time boot menu, which lets you select a boot device on HP ZBook Firefly 14. If you want to enter it, first shut down your computer if it's currently on, and then plug in the external device if you're trying to boot from an external device like your USB drive or a network, and then wait for like 30 seconds to make sure your laptop is fully off. Later on, press on the power button shortly, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on escape key until HP logo shows up and disappears. Then, if you're repeatedly pressing, release the key when the HP logo shows up, and you should be in the boot mode. I'm gonna show you that right now. Okay, the HP logo has shown up and disappeared, so let's wait. It may take a moment. And now we are in the startup menu. All you need to do here is use the arrows to select boot menu or click on F9 on your keyboard. Now select the boot device you want to boot from. And that's all for this video. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.